cheesy ham and egg hand pies. So I've got some butter in a skillet, and I'm just adding scrambled eggs, whipped eggs, with some salt and pepper. And then I have a bunch of chopped chives, which is a very springy ingredient. I'm just going to stir the eggs and cook them slowly over medium heat until they're scrambled. These look good. I was noticing when they were scrambling just how beautiful and fluffy they look. There's something about scrambled eggs with chives that, weakness of mine, I just love them. So I'm putting them into a bowl, and then I'm going to add some ham. I didn't want to add the ham to the skillet because I didn't want to contribute to everything being hot, 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 and the ham is already cooked. So the ham's going to kind of help cool things down so that I can add the cheese, because these are cheesy ham and egg hand pies. And then I'll just toss, and by now the eggs are kind of cool enough that it's not going to turn the cheese into a melty, stringy mess. I
could just eat this.
Okay, so now I'm going to make the pockets. So I'm using puff pastry, and I thawed out 2 sheets and then cut them into 12 squares of equal size. And I'm going to get a spoon and get a big scoop of the egg mixture. Pretty generous, because I mean, if you're going to grab a cheesy ham and egg hand pie, you definitely want to have the cheese, ham, and eggs inside. You don't want to miss them. So then I have a little bit of an egg wash, just egg and water, and I'm going to brush the rim pretty generously because this acts as sort of a glue. Okay, then a second square, and when you put it on, you kind of want to stretch it just a little bit to make sure that it's going to meet the edges. You want to look at this up close, Alex? So you can meet the edges of the pastry and just meet them up. Press them together, kind of force out any air bubbles that are forming in the center. Take a fork, press all along the edge just to crimp everything together. Okay, so that is one cute little pocket or hand pie. I'm going to put this on the tray and do 5 more just like it. All right, I got them all assembled. So I'm brushing the egg wash all over the surface, and that's going to help them stay pretty when they bake. Okay, so then just to give them a little bit of decoration and crunch on top, I'm going to sprinkle on some poppy seeds. Okay, let's go put these in the oven. 400 degrees, 20 minutes. Look at these, Alex.
Oh, wow.
So let's take a look. How do they look?
They look amazing. They're so fluffy.
Oh, wow. Gorgeous.
Yum.
Oh, they look so perfect. Look.
So good.